So, hello again. My name is Matěj, and I'm a 16 years old guy. So today I'm gonna tell you more about the future of voice. Does anyone here who knows what is this? Yeah, nice. More than I expected. So it's a voice assistant. And what is it? It's a virtual assistant using artificial intelligence. Nowadays you can choose from loads of brands like Siri or Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa or Samsung Bixby. But the main idea is the same, and it's get life simple. Let's talk about history. So in 2010, there was an application called Nuance Communication, and in the same year, it was bought by Apple and renamed to Siri. And 1 year later, in 2011, this application was implemented to iPhone 4S. How many of you remember this iPhone? Oh, almost everyone. And in a few years, there was Amazon Echo announced, and also Google Assistant. And last year, there was a pretty interesting device, and it's called Facebook Portal. And next year, Samsung will launch their own assistant called Bixby. And it's gonna be super interesting because they're gonna implement it, for example, to fridge or microwave. So you can be everywhere in your room and just say, Bixby, do something for me. Okay. And what you can do in the present with Assistant. For example, you can listen to your favorite music, call your mom and tell you are okay, or get better forecast, or create your custom applications, and it's super interesting for me. And what about the future? The assistant will be literally everywhere. For example, nowadays you can find it in Mercedes cars, but the main idea will be the same, and it's get life simple. And now some numbers. Last year in the United States, there were sold over 50 million of devices, and it's the same number of users as, for example, TV was running for 13 years, or internet for 3 years. And what about Czechia? Last year, there were sold something around 90,000 there were sold something around 100,000 devices. So maybe in a few years it will be in Czech. And now let me introduce myself. My name is Matěj, and I'm 16 years old student. I'm really into modern technology. For example, at home I have Google speakers connected to light. So when I go to bed at night, I just say, hey Google, turn lights off, and I don't need to get out of my bed. And 2 weeks later, I was one of the organizers of Dev Fest. How many of you knows what is Dev Fest? It was super interesting. We had their official Google TV team, and they made an interview with me, so I enjoyed it a lot. And during the summer, I won a Kiwi.com Student Challenge. And what was it about? It was about developing application and using the platform code.kiwi.com. And also I'm a member of BrMo and Deloitte. And now let me play a short video.
Last year, more than 7.7 million fans visited FIFA World Cup in Russia. These fans have needed to get there. I developed a voice application called Sport Travel Agency. With this app, you always find the best travel connection to the match.
Hi, my name is Mike and I am from Sport Travel Agency. How can I help you?
I'm going to football
So, where the match takes place?
in Barcelona,
Barcelona sounds good. And when is the match?
4th August, 8 p.m.
I see. Barcelona versus Arsenal. It will be a great match.
The average ticket from London to Moscow costs around 300 euros. I plan to sell 7,000 tickets. That's 0.1% of total amount. Commission from one ticket is 3%. It's 63,000 euros only for one sport event. First year plan is to sell 20,000 tickets for 180,000 euros. The app is available also for other sports. Here are some advantages. Available in all Android and iOS phones, Google Home and Alexa speakers. No installation needed. Support 30+ languages. Super fast order tickets, less than 1 minute. Add booking services. Information about the match, players, refs, goals.
Imagine you are a sport fan and you wanna go to, for example, Barcelona to see a live match of your favorite team, and you don't wanna spend time by booking a ticket. You just want to go to the match and pub and enjoy it. And this is in a short what sport travel agency can do. How does it work? There are two main sections. The first is Google Dialogflow. I use it for AI recognition and some entities extraction and intent matching. And then is my own code written in TypeScript, where I have some API integration and databases. Let's take a look on Dialogflow. On there, we have an input. For example, user says something like, I want to go to Barcelona. Here, Google Assistant uses speech to text, where I found entities like Barcelona and call intent search. Then I have a webhook where I can call, for example, Kiwi.com IP or Firebase. And I have a response like, okay, I have your flight from Prague to Barcelona on Monday 3 p.m. And it's like many times. And the code, first I need to transfer city name, which is Prague, to city code, it's PRG. And when I do this, I can start using a bit search and book. And for this, I use Kiwi. And after that, I can do something with databases. But I found one huge problem, and it's API delay. For example, if I want to find a flight from, I don't know, London to Vienna, it's fast, it takes time like 1 second. But if I want to find a flight from BrMo to Madagascar, it might take up to 30 seconds. And for this, I've designed this function.
I will find for you the ticket faster than you can count to 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have your flight. Do you want to hear it?
It's this. It's just an SSML speech where I have some text. Because in conversation there is no time to wait up to 30 seconds to do something like this. And what about the future of the project? First of all, I need to rename it, because when someone hears sports travel agency, it sounds like some professional sport agency, and no one imagine some application with voice assistant. After that, I will need to integrate Google transactions, and it's gonna be super hard, and some more platforms, and also databases. And that's all for me now. On this Monday, I'm leaking out some video of a new project, so add me on LinkedIn and stay connected. And thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Matěj. As a sport fan myself, it's from 10 I will use it. And are there any questions in the audience? Feel free to raise hand. Okay.
You mentioned something about not installing anything. What do you mean by that? Like, how can I access this feature, like not installing anything on my mobile device?
If you are an Android user, you can just say on your Android phone, "Hey Google, talk to Sport Travel Agency," and you can use it. But if you are an iOS user, you need to change your location to United States and open an application called Google Assistant, and you can use it just like on Android.
Thank you. Another questions? Okay, so thank you, Matěj. It was really cool. So another round of applause.